Welcome to the tour. We want to thank you for taking the first step in what could be the big break you've been searching for. We're about to introduce you to our proven system and provide you with a new and amazing lifestyle. And you can begin today. It's all made possible through an unheard of offer by a revolutionary new company. Take the tour and we'll show you how you can capitalize on the hottest trends in the world, like travel, health, and technology through mobile apps. In fact, we'll even show you how you can begin earning money today. Here's the deal. Travel is a $6.3 trillion industry, and there are nearly 2 billion apps downloaded every week. Imagine being in on the ground floor with the first travel app that pays. First, we'll show you how you can earn cash back on all your travel. Then we'll show you how to explore the world like a true adventurer. And finally, we'll show you how to make a fortune sharing your newfound lifestyle with others. We're warning you right now, by the time you start this journey with us, you will not be able to sleep. And just for taking the tour, we'll give you a free membership with our cashback booking engine called Cha-Ching. Don't wait another second. We'll see you on the inside with all the details and a free test drive to your new income stream.